Good afternoon and welcome to the Ray Law International channel. I am so glad you can join us for today's video. If anyone remembers the 2020 elections, you'll know and remember that our nation is divided on many levels, and that includes immigration. Just ask those around you. Immigration is often misunderstood because we often only hear and deal with the surface of an issue or problem and don't really dive deep into the meat of what is really going on or what is required to resolve the situation. In immigration, DACA holders, also known as dreamers, are often in and out of the immigration spotlight. In today's video, we're going to take a look at one aspect of the DACA status, providing you with a little more insight and maybe answer a few of your questions along the way. Let's see how employment authorization works for the DACA holder. As a quick overview, DACA stands for Deferred Action for Childhood Arrivals. It was created to prevent foreign nationals who had come to the United States as children from being immediately deported. The DACA program was established through executive order and provides temporary protection and benefits to those who arrived in the United States before the age of 16, who have continually resided in the United States since June 15, 2007, and who has not yet reached the age of 31 before June 15, 2012. As you can see, these are specific guidelines and requirements that must be met to gain this benefit. In addition to providing temporary protection from deportation, the DACA program also grants employment authorization. Once qualified, DACA holders can apply for employment authorization card through the USCIS. Why is employment authorization important? Well, obtaining employment authorization allows DACA holders to obtain a Social Security number. Getting one's Social Security number opens many doors and opportunities for DACA holders. To obtain your employment authorization document, you must first qualify for DACA. Please see the link above for the DACA requirements. When you apply for DACA status, you will also file your application for employment authorization. There is no filing fee for DACA, but there is a filing fee for the work permit. Include 2 photos and any supporting documentation that may be required. The DACA status must be approved to obtain your employment authorization. Once your DACA petition is approved, your application for employment authorization will also be approved at the same time. Presently, we have seen our DACA renewal petitions and applications for employment authorizations get approved within a reasonable amount of time compared to other employment authorization categories. When the application for employment authorization is approved, you will receive an employment authorization document that looks like this. The EAD card will be valid for 2 years, and you can file your DACA renewal and permit 150 days prior to the expiration. Now, when you obtain your EAD card for the first time, contact the Social Security Administration office for your Social Security number. You will now be able to open your bank account, obtain a driver's license, and apply for many other benefits. Check with your local Social Security Administration office for the latest details. An additional update regarding the DACA program is that on March 18th, the American Dream and Promise Act of 2021 passed the House by a vote of 228 to 197 and is now in the Senate. The American Dream and Promise Act would provide a pathway to citizenship for Dreamers. It would also provide a pathway to citizenship for Temporary Protected Status, TPS, and Deferred Enforced Departure DED holders. The Act would create a conditional permanent resident status for up to 10 years, protecting Dreamers from deportation and allowing them to work legally in the United States and even travel outside of the country. For more on what is TPS and DED, check out our latest videos regarding both of these immigration benefits. Hey, don't stop here. Find out more about immigration topics that concern you. If you are too busy to figure out this immigration stuff to bring your loved ones here to the US, contact us today to see how we can get that loved one to you as soon as possible. Thank you for learning how DACA holders work right here in America. We'll see you next time.